Hey, ade nana. Ade dais nostalgi class nigi kong a 2017 Navajo language Navajo one. Okay, Navajo one. Nigi lesson 8 at Edoleti. Kadbi bihikagi ben amtin lenigi go ko cultural bag bigide ade has ade git edan cultural bag the nebe cultural bag. That's where it comes from. We have what we call the code talkers. Okay, so this is just a pre lesson idea. So our activity one, let's see. Let me see some things. Anyway, I'll do. I think I'll get some things I needed to put in here still. Looks like I'm missing it. Okay. There were some videos I wanted you to watch. I'll put it in, and then you can just go to it. All right. So anyway, when we come back together next Tuesday, November 7th. Yeah, code talkers. And here's the name for code talkers. Ne be se laos soy. Ne be se laos soy. The ne is Navajo. Be is theirs. Salau is police. And when we say Salat Sol means military. But when we say here, we refer to the Navajo code talkers. Okay. The ne be Silaus sword, Silaus sword, the Silaus sword. It's the people's military. Okay. Oh yeah. So the next time we meet, we'll learn about. We don't need to say 1942 unless you really want me to. Then I can put it on video clip. Okay. You decide. If you want to know how to say 1942 now, I can put those down. So we'll do a little practice if you want me to. Hey, you can email me that. But what I really want you to learn is yeah, don't, yeah, comes right down, right? Kind of a slide idea. Nasalize the E, so the yeah. But yeah, don't. What does that mean? It means back then, okay? Back in 1942, yeah, don't. Back in 1942, okay? Ita, the ne, the Salaus saw, what did they do? These code talkers. The ne, the zod, Navajo language, the ne, the zod. Da ahi, da, da ahije, da ahije, gante, da ahije, gante means fighting or war, okay? Same war and fighting, the same thing, okay? Let's say somebody's fighting each other outside, but in war we also say where battle where you're killing people. At at this is the at war at the war. This language, the Nebuzad, at the war. This language at the war. This Navajo language at the war. Cho e cho eagle. It was being used. It was being used. Cho eagle. It was made at the Yila. They made it that way. Okay? So it was the Dene La Salafso. They're the ones that used the Dene language at war back in 1942. It was used to evil at the Yila. Okay? They made it so it was used back then. Okay? So then I thought I'd keep some repetitive things in here. So here we go. 1942, yeah, it's still back then. The Nebuzad, that Navajo language. Do not zogo shon in and wow, what does that mean? Okay, so do means was not written, was not. Okay, written, not zogo shon in was not used for writing. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, this Navajo language was never written until the code talkers got together. So you could actually say the Navajo code talkers actually started the reading and writing of this language, so it's this oral. All right. So do not zogocho ida, and it was never used for reading and writing before 1942. Okay. So they gave us freedom. They gave us reading and writing the language. What a great bunch of great people they were. And let's go to number three. 1942, yeah. Don, the Nebuchadnezzar, code talkers. The Nebuzad, what did they do? Woltado Nadzoko, Nadzo Adayla. They made it so you could read and write it. It was for them to read and write it, and that's how they used it. Okay, let's go to the last sentence review. 1942, yeah, back then, the Nebuzad, or language, that Navajo language, let's take that apart. We just did this before, but just to repeat. Na is eyes, atas, that makes it plural. Tsoze, slanted eyes, Japanese. Bear, by it, see that language, by it, the Japanese people were defeated. Big at their sling, big at their sling, ah, des, so there's an ah and a des, these sounds, a des, sling. Okay, so that's what we'll be teaching you. We'll also teach you about how to do TPRS and also the question and answer. And then we have a nice little activity dealing with Maglib style. Okay, see you in class. On it.